Using the TerreSculptor extract functions. The extractors provide a method for extracting or obtaining or deriving masks based on specific features of the current terrain shape. These terrain features vary by the extractor type and include such things as by altitude, by direction, by slope, and many more types. Note that the Professional Edition includes additional extraction types not available in the Standard Edition. The Professional Edition can also save the masks to significantly more file formats than the Standard Edition. Launch TerreSculptor Professional. Create a new terrain or open an existing terrain that you plan to extract masks from. On the Extract menu, choose the type of mask that you would like to obtain. All of the extract tools have a similar dialog layout. On the left side of the dialog is the Mask Preview viewport. The right side of the dialog is divided into sections for the extract parameters, which vary with each extractor type. The smooth settings, which will smooth the edges of the extracted mask using a pixel smoothing algorithm. The file output settings, which are used to save the mask file to disk. We will now quickly run through an example of the steps to extract and save a mask file from a terrain. Adjust the parameter controls to obtain the desired mask information, such as low or high altitudes, shallow or steep slopes, high or low frequency information, etc. If the edges of the mask should be smoothed, adjust the smooth parameters to obtain the desired smoothing amount. In the file parameters, choose the desired file format and click on the Save As button. The mask file will be saved to disk. Continue creating additional mask extractions as required with any or all of the extractor functions.